Is your solar system not producing as much power as you expected? Join us as we explore the top 5 reasons your solar system might be underperforming. Solar energy is an incredible investment, but sometimes your system doesn't hit those peak performance numbers. We'll help you troubleshoot common underperformance issues. Performance dips are often linked to a few key culprits, including shading, dirt buildup, or electrical component failures like inverter problems. Our first common issue is something simple but powerful: shading. Even minimal shade can significantly impact your system's output. Shade from nearby trees, chimneys, or new construction can cause a dramatic drop in performance across your entire solar array if your system is wired in series. You can resolve shading issues by trimming trees or removing obstructions. For persistent shade, consider optimization technologies like microinverters, which allow each panel to operate independently. Reason number 2 is literally surface level: the buildup of dirt, dust, and debris on your panels. A layer of grime prevents sunlight from reaching the cells, reducing efficiency. Studies show this accumulation can cause power loss ranging from 5 to 20%, depending on your location. Rain often helps, but for optimal performance, plan for periodic cleaning, especially in dusty areas. Always use the proper cleaning equipment or consult a professional for safe rooftop cleaning. Moving to the electrical components, our third reason for underperformance involves the heart of your system, the inverter. The inverter is essential because it converts the direct current, or DC, energy produced by your panels into the alternating current, or AC, electricity used by your home. If your inverter is failing, you might see error codes, blinking lights, or hear unusual noises. Sometimes the entire unit simply goes blank, indicating a need for repair or replacement. Next, let's discuss the natural wear and tear that comes with time, panel degradation, and age. Solar panels are built to last, but they naturally degrade over time, typically losing about 0.5% of efficiency per year. After 25 years, a reduction of 10 to 15% is standard. Most manufacturers offer performance guarantees, typically promising 80 to 85% of original output after 25 years. Check your warranty documentation to see if your underperformance falls outside the expected range. Our final major reason is often rooted in the system's foundation: improper initial installation or underlying wiring issues. Issues can range from panels not being mounted at the optimal angle to faulty wiring connections or incorrect stringing of the panels, which drastically limits energy flow. If you suspect installation flaws, it's crucial to schedule a professional inspection. Qualified solar technicians can diagnose subtle wiring problems that aren't visible to the naked eye. Understanding these 5 common issues is the first step toward getting your solar system back to its peak performance. Start by checking for obvious shading or dirt. Monitor your inverter for error codes. If these simple fixes don't work, consider age and installation integrity. If you are unsure about the cause of your underperformance, always consult a certified solar professional for a thorough diagnosis and safe repairs.